Hello, brother and sister. Today I will going to give a review for a vessel carabiner equipped with a magnetic bead holder. Here, this vessel I bought it about 2 years ago and survived the bite from a rat, but you can see in here this is not scratch from the work but the rat bite. Okay, now I will show you what kind of bit that I use for the vessel. Here is the bit. It comes from brand broppe. The bit is quite good, stainless, not fear for rusty. And here the collection for Philips. And my opinion for the combination of broppe and vessel, very good, not wobbling very much, still usable. Okay, my friend, I think that's all my video for showdown of the vessel. Thank you for watching this video.